Manuel Rubio here with Miracle Body and Paint. So I've gone through, I don't know, 8, 9 sessions of the whole repair process with you all. We just discussed that your vehicle just got recalibrated, all the radars were tested, and we're sure that it's driving well on the road as it's designed to drive, right? So now it goes perhaps for a final cleanup, right? It's gonna go to the detail department. They're gonna make sure that it's nice and clean, that there's no residue left of the repair process, that there's no old parts that are in your car, that there's no tape attached to the bumpers or to the rocker panels, and a quality control inspection as well. So they clean the inside well for us, they clean the outside well for you, and then the service writer and the quality control manager review all your repairs, they review your entire estimate, they test all your doors, they test all your engine compartment, your dash panel, your AC system, your lights, your wipers. They check everything to make sure the car's functioning correctly. The quality of the repair passes our inspection, and at that point it moves over to the ready line, and you should be expecting a phone call soon that your car's ready to be picked up. And now for the next session, I want to go over what the business department and the service department is doing to keep the paperwork moving along and to keep you informed over all this repair process we've just been through. So stay tuned for the next session.